The megalodon, Otodus megalodon, was one of the largest and most fearsome predators to ever exist, dominating the world's oceans for millions of years. This prehistoric shark grew to an estimated 50 to 60 feet long, making it nearly 3 times the size of the largest great white sharks today. With 7-inch serrated teeth and a bite force of over 40,000 pounds per square inch, Megalodon was an apex predator capable of crushing bones and hunting massive marine animals. Fossil evidence suggests that Megalodon lived between 23 and 3.6 million years ago, before mysteriously disappearing from the fossil record. Despite its supposed extinction, some believe that Megalodon could still exist in the unexplored depths of the ocean, hiding beyond human detection. The deep-sea mystery surrounding Megalodon has fueled countless theories, documentaries, and viral internet hoaxes about its possible survival. Scientists argue that if Megalodon were still alive today, there would be frequent sightings, carcasses, or fresh teeth washing ashore, none of which have been found. Unlike many prehistoric creatures, Megalodon left behind only fossilized teeth and vertebrae, as its cartilaginous skeleton did not fossilize well. Most Megalodon fossils have been discovered in warm, shallow coastal waters, suggesting that it preferred hunting in areas where large marine mammals lived. The rapid cooling of ocean temperatures during the Pliocene epoch, combined with food shortages, is one of the leading theories for Megalodon's extinction. Some scientists believe that the rise of modern sharks, such as great whites and orcas, may have contributed to Megalodon's decline by outcompeting it for food. If Megalodon had survived, it would need a massive and consistent food supply, which modern marine ecosystems likely cannot support. Deep-sea trenches, such as the Mariana Trench, have been suggested as possible hiding places for Megalodon, but no evidence has been found to support this claim. No living Megalodon has ever been photographed, captured, or detected using modern deep-sea sonar, making its continued existence highly unlikely. Many alleged Megalodon sightings are actually misidentified whale sharks, basking sharks, or oversized great white sharks. One of the most famous Megalodon hoaxes was Discovery Channel's Megalodon, the Monster Shark Lives, which misled viewers into believing the creature might still exist. In 2014, researchers discovered a giant shark tooth embedded in a fresh whale carcass, but further analysis confirmed it belonged to a large great white, not Megalodon. The lack of fresh Megalodon teeth is one of the biggest arguments against its survival, as sharks constantly lose and replace teeth throughout their lives. Megalodon teeth found in sediment layers confirm that they have been fossilized for millions of years, ruling out the possibility of a surviving population. If Megalodon were alive today, we would see major disruptions in modern marine ecosystems, as its massive size and appetite would drastically impact prey populations. Some cryptozoologists argue that unknown species of large sharks may still exist in deep waters, but this does not mean Megalodon is among them. The ocean remains 95% unexplored, leading some to speculate that a small population of Megalodons could still be hiding in remote regions. Scientists counter that even deep-sea creatures eventually surface or leave trace evidence, yet no such evidence has been found for Megalodon. The black demon shark legend of the Gulf of California describes a giant, aggressive shark that some believe could be a modern Megalodon, though no proof exists. Some skeptics believe that ancient Megalodon teeth occasionally washing up on beaches could be a sign of lingering populations, but radiocarbon dating proves they are millions of years old. If a creature as large as Megalodon were still alive, whale populations would be drastically affected, as whales were its primary food source. Modern whales bear no recent scars or bite marks resembling the enormous tooth pattern of Megalodon, further disproving claims of its survival. Some of the largest great white sharks today, such as Deep Blue, measure over 20 feet long, leading some to mistakenly believe that they are juvenile Megalodons. Submarine sonar scans have never recorded an object consistent with the size and profile of Megalodon, despite extensive deep-sea research. Fossil records indicate that Megalodon thrived in warm waters, meaning it would not likely survive in the extreme cold of the deep ocean. The evolution of modern predatory sharks suggests that Megalodon's niche has been filled, making its survival unnecessary in today's oceans. Some of the largest extinct Megalodon relatives, such as Carcharicles chubutensis, also disappeared around the same time, supporting the theory of a major extinction event. If Megalodon had survived, its impact on modern fishing industries and whale migrations would have been impossible to miss. Despite its extinction, Megalodon remains one of the most popular prehistoric creatures, inspiring books, movies, and documentaries. The 2018 blockbuster film The Meg fueled renewed interest in the idea that Megalodon could still be lurking in the deep sea. Megalodon's reputation as a deep-sea monster is largely based on speculation and fiction rather than any scientific evidence. Marine biologists have studied modern shark populations for decades, and none have shown signs of a surviving megalodon lineage. The study of megalodon teeth has helped scientists understand how sharks evolved over millions of years, leading to the species we see today. If megalodon were alive, it would require a breeding population, meaning multiple individuals would need to exist to sustain the species. Some believe that occasional sightings of massive shark-like creatures could be evidence of megalodon, but these claims remain unverified and largely anecdotal. Deep-sea exploration has uncovered new species of large sharks, such as the megamouth shark, but none related to megalodon. Fossil records show that megalodon disappeared around the same time that oceanic cooling and shifting ecosystems reduced its food supply. The largest sharks alive today, such as the Greenland shark, are slow-moving deep-sea dwellers, unlike the active hunting-style megalodon would require. The survival of an apex predator like megalodon would require a stable food chain, but no modern ecosystems show evidence of supporting such a large predator. While prehistoric coelacanth fish were once thought extinct and later discovered alive, no similar evidence suggests megalodon has survived. The absence of megalodon fossils in recent geological layers indicates that the species has been extinct for millions of years. Scientists continue to search for new marine species, but the possibility of megalodon still existing is considered extremely unlikely. Although megalodon is gone, its legacy as the largest predatory shark in history continues to captivate scientists and the public alike. Studying megalodon's extinction helps scientists understand how climate change, food scarcity, and competition impact apex predators over time. The mystery of megalodon's extinction remains one of the most fascinating topics in marine paleontology, but the evidence overwhelmingly supports that it no longer exists. While the idea of a real-life megalodon lurking in the deep ocean is an exciting thought, it remains firmly in the realm of science fiction rather than fact. The continued fascination with megalodon proves that humans are still drawn to the mysteries of the deep, even when science provides clear answers. Despite its extinction, megalodon remains one of the most awe-inspiring creatures to have ever lived, leaving behind a legacy of fear, fascination, and scientific discovery.